Beginning in wide child's pose, knees come to the edge of the mat while the big toes come together. Your bottom comes toward the heels. Stretch your arms forward, extending all the way to the fingertips. Lower the forehead to the mat. Hold here for 3 rounds of breath. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. On your next inhale, prepare to transition into upward dog. And on the exhale, scoop your upper body forward, lifting the chest, as well as the hips and the upper part of your legs, your thighs, off of the mat. Your toes are flat, pressing firmly into the mat. Looking forward, drop the elbows, drop the shoulders away from the ears. 3 deep rounds of breath. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. On the next inhale, prepare to transition into downward dog by tucking the toes. And on the exhale, lift your hips and your waist and push back. Straighten the back, straighten the arms, pushing the chest toward the thighs. Feel free to have a slight bend to the knees if it takes some of the pressure off. You can also pedal your feet. In downward dog, you feel the stretch mostly in the back of the legs. If you feel too much weight, too much pressure on your arms, try shifting your hips and your waist back a bit further. 3 rounds of breath here. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Next, preparing for dolphin pose or low down dog. Inhale, preparing to transition. And on the exhale, slowly come down onto your forearms. You can keep your forearms straight, or you can clasp your hands together, creating a triangle with the forearms for better support. Consider this another version of downward dog, except your forearms are bent. Legs are either straight, or you can continue to have the bend to the knee. 3 rounds of breath. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Take a deep inhale, and on your exhale, transition once more into wide child's pose. Knees to the edge of the mat, big toes together, bottom resting toward the heels, arms outstretched, forehead to the mat. This is your simple sequence with wide child's pose, upward dog, downward dog, and dolphin pose. Repeat for as many cycles as you feel led. Thank you. Namaste.